This is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today we will show how you can add numbers to keyboard on this device. So first of all, let me just go ahead and launch the keyboard, the Celia keyboard to be exact. In here, you gotta tap on this little icon at the top left corner of your, keyboard. Then at the expanded and additional options menu, go for the settings. At the Celia keyboard settings, you want to enter the keyboard category. So let me show once again how the keyboard looks without the added number row, like so. And once at the keyboard category page, just switch the show number row toggle. And as you will see now, that will essentially mean that from now on, the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.